So hey guys, you're watching Raghav and in today's video we will talk about how to apply app drawer in old Xiaomi phones. And as you can see, I don't have the Miui 12, I have the Miui 10, and as I go to the home screen settings there is no app drawer option. So first you need to install a application which I have linked below in description, and it is a system update, a system launcher update. So you need to install that. As you can see, click on that file, and I don't want to install because I have installed it. Then install an application from Play Store known as Quick Shortcut Maker, which is available on Play Store. So you need to go to that Quick Shortcut Maker, then you have to search for the system launcher and you have to go to the last option and click on that option and click on try. And as you can see, the app drawer and the regular options are there. As you can see, it is possible to apply app drawer in old Xiaomi phones, which is MIUI 10, 11. So that's all for today's guys. If you like this video, click on the like button, share button and subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye.